Alright guys, today we're going to change out these old rusty and corroded battery terminals on this Toyota. Starting on the negative terminal, take a 12mm socket to remove this bolt on the top. Using an impact wrench like this can save you a lot of hassle. Now remove the nut and slide the terminal out the rest of the way. With a metal wire brush, remove as much of the corrosion and rust from the metal as possible so that there will be a good connection from the battery to the vehicle. Make sure to get both sides with the brush. Take the new terminal, slide it into the correct position, and then tighten down the bolt as much as you can with a small ratchet. The new socket size for the top bolt is 1/2 inch. Now for the positive terminal, it's pretty much the same procedure. Remove the 12mm bolt on top, slide out the old terminal, and as you can see here, all the corrosion on the terminals. Alright, now make sure to use a wire brush to sand all the metal to metal mating surfaces. Next, just slide in the new terminal in the correct position like seen here and tighten down the bolt with the ratchet. Connect both terminals to the battery and securely tighten down the bolt on the side with a 10mm socket until the terminals are secure and won't move anymore. Finally, in order to prevent corrosion in the future, use some dielectric grease on both terminals and spread it around until the metal surfaces have been coated. And that's it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking and subscribing. And also the links for the terminal that I use as well as any other tools that I used, I'll be sure to link it in the description below.